Good morning, class. How are you doing, all of you? In the last previous exercise, we had practiced figure it out number 7, and few of the questions were left. So we will continue with the question. Question number 1 was done, and in question 2, I think 2 parts were done, or we will start with question 2 so that you just recall what had been done. So you have to draw angles of measure using the protractor. First angle is 110 degree. So first of all, what you have to do is draw a ray with name OA. Then put the center of the protractor over the vertex O. O is considered to be vertex. Align the line of the protractor with the ray and start with the 0 degree. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 and 110. Always start the rating from 0. This I have been telling from almost all of the classes. So after getting the point, join the vertex or join O with the point B, and you will show the turning of the angle. From here, right side turning is done, or it is anti-clockwise. So this is 110 degree. Then second part was 75. So we draw a ray. Let's make the ray now on the left side. So you have to draw 40 degree. So place the protractor at the center and align it with OP. Start with the 0 measurement, 0 degree, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, and you are done with the, you get the point Q, join OQ, and you get, now the turning is from OP to OQ, so your arrow would be clockwise, going clockwise. So this you have to always remember, whether you are taking the ray in the right hand side or going towards the left hand side. So this is 40 degree. Here the naming would be POA is equal to 110 degree, and here it would be QOP is equal to 40 degree. Now in one of the question later on, it has been asked that you have to write the steps of construction. But what steps did you follow? So let's write the steps. First of all, you would write that draw a ray OP. I am writing the steps for this particular angle, 40 degree. Draw a ray OP. Place center of the protractor at O, which is vertex. So if you want to define O as vertex, you can always write it over here also, that which point you are taking as vertex. Of course, the end point of the ray here the starting or initial point of the ray you take as O, which is vertex. Then you would say that align line of the protector with OP start reading from 0 degree and reach till 40 degree. Okay, these are the 4 steps. Then fifth step would be put the dot and name it Q, join OQ, and you get the angle POQ is equal to 40 degree. So these are the steps for drawing an angle. So what is the first step? Let me explain. Draw a ray OP. So first you have drawn OP. Now what is the next step? You put the center of the protractor on the vertex. So my O is the vertex, so I put center at O and then align the line of the protractor with OP, the ray OP. Then what we do? Then we start reading from 0 degree. So we start reading from 0 degree and reach till 40 degree. Put the dot at 40 degree and then join. Name it first. Suppose this is Q and then join OQ. Your angle POQ is equal to 40 degree. So this is how you have to do the steps of construction of angle. Now the next part, 75 degree. So first of all, in drawing angle you can always take a horizontal line for understanding, but otherwise you can take any orientation. So let take as OS. Now 75 degree, put the center over the vertex. So we define O as the vertex and align this line of the protractor with OS. Start reading from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and 75. Put the dot at 75. Name it as T. Join OT. Write the turning and you get 75 degree. So this is the angle. Okay. Then comes for writing the steps of construction. How would you write? When you are writing the steps of drawing an angle, start with what you did first. सबसे पहले आपने क्या किया था? You draw ray OS. So draw ray OS. O is the vertex. You can always say that which point you are taking as vertex. Put protector. Next step is put protector at O. Put center of protector at O And fourth step is place protector such that line of protector overlaps OS ray. Okay, ray OS. Then start from 0 degree reading and count till 75. So you remember that between any two degrees, like 10 degree and marked degrees, 10 degree and 20 degree, there are 10 lines. So you have to see that how many lines you have to count. For 75, first you reach 70 and then count 5 lines more to get the required. Put dot, mark as T, join OT and angle SOT is equal to 75 degree. Now join OT. After this you can also say that mark the turning. Mark the turning. This is important. You should know where the angle is turning. Here the angle is turning anti-clockwise. So this now you start learning that whether the angle is rotating anti-clockwise or it is rotating clockwise. So you would have an idea that what about the rotation of the angle, what is the direction of rotation. So one more I will do, 112. Now 112. So this is an obtuse angle now. Up till now you have made only acute angle. So for obtuse angle again the procedure remains the same. The only thing is you have to remember that this is obtuse angle. So be careful about the turning and the readings. Draw a ray AB. Place the center at A where A is the vertex. Align the line of protector with AB. Start reading from 0 degree. This is very important point in whether you are measuring or you are making an angle. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Now it is 112. So it would cross 90 and next reading would not be 80. It would be 100. So 90 plus 10 gives 100. 100 plus 10 gives 110. And then 110, after 110 you have to reach 2 lines more and put the dot at 112. Name it as C. And you will get the required. Now the rotation or the turning of the angle, show the turning of angle. It is anti-clockwise, so 110 degree. So this is an obtuse angle now. And you write angle BAC is equal to 110 degree. You can always write CAB equal to 110 degree. There is nothing wrong. But we are naming it according to the rotation we are doing. So this is the, I think, fourth part. Now the fifth part. Steps of construction in 2 parts I have explained. So you try to write the steps of construction on your own so that you have practice of it also. And now fifth part, which is 134 degree. So 134 degree. Again, suppose I start with left side ray. It is A, it is C. Then put the center at A and align the line of the protector with AC. Start from zero reading. Now zero reading is inside, I mean inner reading. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. After 90 you will go to 100 and then 110, 120, 130. After 130 you have to count 4 lines and you get 134. Mark it as D, join AD and you get join AD and you get the required angle 134. Now steps. First step, draw AC. Second step, put center of protractor at A. Third, align line of protector with AC. Start reading from 0 degree and reach till 134 degree. Mark the point as D, join AD, mark angle. Mark angle means you have to show the turning. What do you mean by mark angle? Show the turning or show the rotation of angle. And your angle is angle CAD is equal to 134 degree. So with this, second part finishes. Now we move to third part. What is the third part? It is draw an angle whose degree measure is same as the angle given below. So in this question what you will do is, first you measure the angle from the book. Put your protector over the book. Align the center of the protector with 0 degree. Align the center of the protector with the vertex. Align line of protector with one arm and start the reading from 0. It is going till 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110 and then almost 5 more lines. So it is 105 degree. So in this case, question number 3, you would write that, now in this case steps are asked. So what would you write? First you would write measure angle with protector placing it over the book. Put center of protector line of protector with HJ and start reading from 0 degree. Okay, start reading from 0 degree, then see your turning, and it is about, measure comes out to be 115 degree. This is the first step. Steps of measuring the angle. Okay, so this is the first step that you have to, first set of steps that you have to do, measure the angle. Now we have got measure of angle. Now what will we do? We would draw the angle on the (115 degree) in the notebook. So now you would put the scale, draw a ray ST, put center of the protector, align the line, S is the vertex, start with 0 and go till 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. After 90 you have to read larger because you have to make 115. So 90, 100, 110 and then 5 lines more gives you 115. Put the dot, mark it as U, join the dot with S. Sorry, just a minute. You have to take the vertex same as given in the book. So you would write H, J and I. This was a mistake, so just rectify the mistake. The vertex is H, one arm is HJ and other arm is HI. So now my turning of angle is 115 degree. Steps of drawing the angle. So steps of drawing the angle, this measuring the angle you may write or not. Drawing the angle, what you will write, that draw HJ, place protector at H, place center of protector at H, align HJ with line of protector, start reading from 0 and go till 115 degree. We get the measure of angle is 100. Measure of angle is 115 degree. Angle JHI is 115 degree. So this is the finish of this exercise. This figure it out. Now in the next we have types of angles and their measures. We have already done acute angle. What is the acute angle? An angle which is smaller than 90 degree is called as acute angle. Then what is obtuse angle? The angle which is greater than 90 degree is obtuse angle. Then we come to straight angle. An angle of measure 180 degree is straight angle. These three we have already done. The next is obtuse angle. Is what is the definition of obtuse angle? That the angle is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Another angle is reflex angle. What is the definition of reflex angle? An angle whose measure is greater than 180 degree. This means that greater than straight angle. But less than complete angle. What is complete angle? What is the measure of complete angle? That is 360 degrees. So this is called as reflex angle. This is very important angle. And how we show reflex angle? Suppose I make a ray. It is greater than 180 degree. So first let's draw 180 degree. Say this is the point O, A, and this is B. So this is 180 degree angle, but the angle is greater than 180. So where would it go? The turning would be from OA to OB, and from OB it will go further rotation and you would get the reflex angle. So it would appear like this. It is greater than 180 degree and less than complete angle. How you make complete angle? Complete angle is when the two rays coincide. You start rotating the ray goes round and round anti-clockwise and reaches again the same point. So your points there are overlapping on each other, and this is complete angle and given by 360 degree. So what is reflex angle? It starts from OA, it goes till straight angle, it doesn't stop there, it more turning is done and it is greater than 180 degree and it is less than 360 degrees. So this is the marking of reflex angle. So if I rub this straight angle part, because you have to go beyond straight angle, like you go beyond 90 degrees, similarly you go beyond straight angle. So this is the reflex angle. So reflex angle would appear somewhat like this. So we are done with the reflex angle. Now we will do figure it out number 8. So I think before we start figure out, we will do it next time because there are a lot of questions I think, and then there is figure it out number 9 also. So we will start with the exercises in the next class. So you go through what we have done today. Just try to draw different angles on your own and see if you are able to do it correctly. Have a nice day. Take care, students.